Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Where is that blower motor fan relay, also known as the heater relay? Now we're going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150. You have two fuse boxes, but we'll need to open just one of them. That's located right under the hood. And if we guys zoom in a little bit, okay, I want to show you here, this is your 12-volt battery. Right behind it you have a fuse box cover, and once you open that fuse box cover, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. This is the front of your F-150, guys. This is towards the windshield side. So before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, you can see here you have different kinds of fuses, relays. Those could be really hard to find, expensive, overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price and quick shipping. That way you don't waste your money, guys. Now if you look right here, we'll be working in that relay panel right here next to the fuse panel, that relay panel. And the heater, blower motor, fan relay is the very one on the right side on the bottom here. That relay will be the one that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.